Orangi town is the biggest slum of Asia. Its population has crossed over 2 million. The general health facilities in this town and its adjacent areas like Kasba Colony, Banaras, and Frontier Colony are almost non-existent. There is only one government hospital. A mushroom of quacks exists in this area befooling the poor and uneducated people in the name of Medicare and thus endangering their lives ruthlessly. The whole area consists of salaried class, workers and small businessmen. These people with their limited income resources are unable to afford the huge cost of private treatment. Al Khidmat Hospital was established in 1998 for fulfilling this need to provide healthcare facilities to the poor people on a minimum cost. A simple but impressive building diverted the attention of people entering in Orangi town. It is indeed the Al Khidmat Hospital building. At least 100,000 people get benefited from OPDs of various departments of the hospital yearly. This hospital is providing healthcare facilities to the people of site Baldia town apart from Orangi. When enter into hospital building, registration counter equipped with the latest facilities says welcome to the poor and needy patients, where queues of patients are seen. The standard maintained by the hospital is no way less than the maintained by the other hospitals. People belong to the middle and salaried class can easily afford the cost of their treatment here. Al Khidmat Hospital is a welfare organization. The charges for the facilities provided to the patients are greatly cheaper in the hospital than those of the other private hospitals. The charges here in comparison to the other hospital are 40 to 50% less. The needy people treated here with remarkable concession of even free of cost from patients' welfare funds.
Our main objectives are provide best quality services for poor people and low income groups, promoting professionalism and discourage quackery and unethical practices. All these things will only be possible when well-to-do people of the community cooperate with us in this noble cause. So please join hands with us. Nobody will give you the reward, only Allah will give you the best reward.
An important feature of Al Khidmat Hospital is the 24-hour gynae and emergency OPD. The second important feature is the high standard hygienic conditions. Dental clinic of the hospital has special importance, where expert consultants provide treatment of all the diseases of teeth on discount rates. Long queues of patients are seen in dental clinic. The people of all age group including children come here. Expert doctors and various types of machines are available in the ophthalmology IOPD. Over 2,500 patients were treated in the IOPD. Facility of phaco surgery is available in the hospital and the best quality lens are fitted in the patient's eyes after operation. Funds are needed for expanding this department and providing latest equipments. There is dire need to upgradation and changing of old equipments of eye department. These are included in the latest equipments: new autokeratometer refractometer, slit lamp, operating microscope, ophthalmoretinoscope, A-scan, tonometer T&R type. The hospital presently consists of 20 beds. 30 consultants in 12 departments are always busy in the service of ailing humanity in the hospital. Gynae, ophthalmic, dentistry, ENT, general medicines, cardiac problems, liver diseases, skin diseases, family medicines, general surgery and sonology are included. Women have the latest and prompt facility of gynae and other diseases. Facility of 24 hours gynae OPD is not any other hospital of the area and it is unthinkable on welfare grounds. There is separate waiting area of women in the gynae OPD where entry of male patients is strictly prohibited. Labor room has the best facilities but these two equipments are needed for further improving these facilities: CTG machine and fetal Doppler. Gynae Ops ward's reception is situated on the first floor of the hospital. Operation theatre with all facilities is there where all the necessary equipments are available. Another operation theatre is needed to cope the increasing number of women patients with all the latest equipments and machines. These machines and equipments are needed. OT lights with 12 reflectors, OT table, diathermy machine, mechanical ventilator, anesthesia machine, suction machine, and multi-para monitor. There are lack of facilities in the sonology department of the hospital, where only one machine for ultrasound is available. We need multi-purpose sonographic machine which can perform echocardiography and color Doppler. A big X-ray machine is also needed. 24-hour lab facility is available. However, latest machines and equipments are needed in well-equipped laboratory of diagnostic center. Expansion project of the hospital is started, in which need generator 100 kV, a PMT to 250 kV for meeting the increasing power need of the hospital, diagnostic center, modern equipment for eye checkups and eye theatre equipments, the expansion plan of phase 1 and 2, building and construction of phase 3 and 4, ultrasound X-ray machines, NICU, elevator, trauma center, ambulances. The basic purpose of expansion project is to provide better facilities to the poor. Funds are needed for the expansion project of Al Khidmat Hospital. President Al Khidmat Foundation, Pakistan and ex-City Nazim, Karachi, Nematullah Khan has said that we provide healthcare facilities to poor people and their children. We hope that our development projects will complete it with their help of Allah. Our Allah help those who devote their lives for dominating His deen and serving people. I hope that these projects will also complete as in the past. Your funds will be Sadaqah Jariyah and you will get rewards till doomsday. Your funds save the lives of others, become helpful for poor. This hospital is yours and constructed with the help of loving people like you. Al Khidmat Hospital is providing cheaper medical facilities to the backward and the downtrodden people of Karachi with a level of standards. This hospital is an asset of masses and has been built by the cooperation of well-wishers like you, who are well aware of the human sufferings. Please extend your hands of cooperation, either by contributing in construction work of hospital or by the contributing in the purchase of modern and advanced electrical and medical equipments which were mentioned in our future plans and needs. Deposit your funds and zakat. Account number 1042-4, National Bank of Pakistan, Orangi number 5. Swift code NBPAPKKA. Our website www.alkhidmathospital.com/.org/.net, and our email address is info@alkhidmathospital.com. Our contact number are 009221 6693897, 009221 6668893, 009221 6654191. Come and participate in this noble cause. We and these poor and needy patients will wait for you. Allah says in Quran, Surah Ma'idah, ayat number 32, and if anyone saved life, it shall be as if he had saved the life of all mankind.